Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to play audio through headphones in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have noticed that if you don't change the settings here in Premiere Pro and you just plug in your headphones while you are editing, it won't play through your headphones, but it will be still on your speakers instead. So to fix this problem, all you have to do is go into Edit, right here, go into Preferences, and then go into Audio Hardware. And then from here, this would pop up, and make sure that your device class is MME. And then from here, you're going to go for the default output. And then from here, you want to make sure that you select your headphones right here. In my case, I don't have a headphone, but in your case, if you're using a headphone, it should appear right here. And once you have selected that, then you want to click OK. And now it should play through your headphones right here. And if you want to switch back, all you have to do is basically do the same steps: Preferences, Audio Hardware, and then go into the default output and switch back into your speakers and click on OK. And that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.